All right, let's do some video. And I'm going to do my best to just kind of chit chat a little bit about the Live Good thing. Okay, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you probably know all about Live Good by now. And if you're just kind of screwing off on social media, or maybe you got an email from me, all right, let me, in color, in video, describe Live Good to you if you have no idea what the darn thing is, okay? First of all, joincory.com, all right? This is the link that I'd like you to go to if you're not in Live Good. Just watch the video. There's like a 6-minute video. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds, and it's of our company's products. It's hosted by Ben Glinsky, our CEO, and just talks about the opportunity and just all the cool stuff about Live Good. And like I said, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. If you watch it to the end, you're probably interested in the products just to buy. You can be just a customer. And if you want to be a member and get wholesale pricing, go ahead and just become one. $10 a month. It's $9.95. Then if you want to be an affiliate, get two $20 bills together and spend $40 one time. And when you're an affiliate, it's nice because you can just chit chat like I'm doing on a webcam. Maybe get your cell phone in selfie mode and have a good time. Or do an email campaign. I'm pretty good at that. All right. I rock and roll on the email thing. Okay. And if you want to post on social media, obviously, if I want to put joincory.com on Facebook somehow or on Instagram, or just talk about the opportunity in general and say, guys, get a hold of me. Here's my email address. And if I'm doing a Facebook post, you can always just put, get a hold of me in the inbox. I'll give you information. Because sometimes if you talk about Live Good or put a link, it can or cannot work. Both work for me. It's just a numbers game. I make my posts fun and mess off a little bit. And I have my techniques on Facebook, how when people are my friends and they write me, okay, I'm really good at inviting them to a link to watch something, a video already produced that talks about Live Good and the products, the opportunity, everything. And I so highly recommend you do that as well. Okay. So anyway, this is what Live Good looks like. Boom. That's the back office. There we go, guys. All right. Let's just go to the products page. Scroll down and check out all our products. Guys, you're going to like them. You don't have to join to be an affiliate to try to make money and just pretend the products are good and blah, blah, blah. Guys, we're a wholesale-based company. Even our shirts are high quality, and our little beanie hats, and our cool little sweaty. All right, it's wintertime. Get one of these. They're kind of cool. But look at all these products. And like I said, for $10 a month, guys, we're focused on the wholesale side of things. All right, essential oils. You know how expensive that stuff is, guys. All right, look at that. Even if you're not a member, it's only $70. But if you're a member for $10 a month, it's only $50. And look at our competition. The nice thing about all of our products, you can see here exactly how much, just as a customer, that's the retail price, like going to Walmart or Amazon, member price. Of course, you can break down what you want to order just by clicking the drop down. You can click the picture and get a nice detailed description. Look at this. We overkill it on description and what the ingredients are. Okay? All the seals of approval. And guys, every single product is overkill. All right? We have the best, most expensive ingredients, but we're the cheapest because we're a wholesale-based company. Okay? We're not retail. We make the products for people to sell. Here's our competition. All right, doTERRA, great company, $200. Young Living, guys, this is fresh. This is right off their websites. $252 with Young Living. Great companies. They've made, in my opinion, probably $1 billion each. But you know what? If you look at our ingredients, they're better. And like I said, we are a wholesale-based company. We don't charge $150 to $200 more so that there's a corporate building and the owners of the company have Lamborghinis. Okay? $50, guys. So please go to the product section and you're going to find that you are not embarrassed about Live Good. You actually dig the products. You will buy them. And when you do wear maybe a shirt and hat, you can talk about it just as easily as I can. Go to the FAQ section. All right, I want you to look at all these questions. And then what's important if you're an affiliate is how the heck do I make money? All right, go to the bottom of your cell phone or the bottom of the website. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Just click the link like I just did, and it's going to say affiliate. Now look, we get paid 7 ways. Take your time and just read about all 7. So you can see in the little green circles, it says, here's number 3, there's number 4, 5, 6, 7. This is what I recommend. Please, when you go to the pay plan link, just watch the YouTube video at the bottom, because watch it a few times and you'll understand the pay. Because sometimes it's boring to read all this. Like, well, 10% of 70%. Yeah, all of a sudden you sound like Bernie Sanders. Well, you take 50% of 5% and you do 1% with the diamond, and then you get 1%. I mean, oh my God, it's so boring. I never talk about the comp plan. And here's some advice if you're already in LiveGood. Please just have them go to the comp plan link. Watch that YouTube video. Go to the FAQ. Let them look at the products. You want the freedom. Just look into the business. And if you say no, you don't want me calling you or bugging you, and I never will, guys. All right? If you want to go to joincory.com, I make LiveGood extremely simple. I almost have 400 people signed up. I'll have well over 500 and some change that should put me right around the top 10 in the company. There's no stopping me. This is too much fun. joincory.com. Just go there. I'll show you how I get my business cards cheap, how I get my domain names from GoDaddy for $11. You do not have to overcomplicate LiveGood. Please don't. Let the products and the opportunity be that juicy steak. You want to put a little salt and pepper, little A1, maybe grill some onions. There's some cool things that you can do to live good. But right now, just on its own, it is a badass opportunity. So as I sit here, let's see, I got to look at my computer. It's December 20th. All right, a couple days. Christmas. All right, or the holidays. Maybe you're rocking out to Kwanzaa or doing the Hanukkah. All right. I am sitting here in beautiful Salt Lake, and I'm at the bottom of Mount Olympus. And about 30 minutes away is Park City, Deer Valley. A few more minutes, I'm by Solitude, Brighton, Alta. I'm by some of the biggest ski resorts in the world. And we have very little snow. This much here in Salt Lake, 0. But up in the mountains, believe it or not, thank gosh, they're anywhere from 8 to 9,000 feet, and you get a little bit of that white fluffy stuff. So anyway, guys, thank you for your time. Get a hold of me if I can help you. Whatever I can do, Cory@CoryDraper.com. That is my email. And then subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you see me on Facebook, inbox me. I'm easy going, guys. All right, joincory.com. And you guys have a good one. Okay, take care, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Okay.